Sir, Pushpen sir ji, thank you a lot. And present here our principal sir, all teachers and my dear students. Good morning to all of you. Good morning, sir. Thank you for great energy. And I would like to come here, so once again, remind you कि in which state you are living. My children, my genius stars, can you tell me which stage you are living a life? A human generation, which stage you are in? You are in student living life. आप एक विद्यार्थी जीवन जी रहे हैं. So I would like to ask you questions. What is the symptoms of students? What is the symptoms of students? Symptoms means लक्षण. विद्यार्थी के क्या लक्षण हैं? Can you tell me? I am asking you, my senior students. विद्यार्थी के क्या लक्षण हैं? So I would like to remind you. काकचेष्टा बकोध्यानम श्वान निद्रा तथैव च अल्पहारी गृहस्त्यागी विद्यार्थी पंक्ष लक्षणम. काकचेष्टा. काकचेष्टा means, have you heard the story of a thirsty crow? आपने प्यासे कौवे की कहानी सुनी है? What he did? क्या करता है? क्या करता है प्यासा कौवा? When he found a pot, जब उसे एक pot मिलता है, then he see a little amount of water inside. वो देखता है उसके अंदर थोड़ा पानी है. Then he look around some pebbles around here. वो देखता है छोटे छोटे पत्थर हैं. Then he picked a stone and put on the pot. Once again he picked a stone, put on the pot. He continued to do this till the water come on the top. तब तक जब तक पानी टॉप में पॉट के नहीं आ जाता. Then what happened, my dear student? फिर क्या होता है? Can you tell me? I know you know. आप जानते हैं ना? Then what happened? Then पानी, then water grew up and crow quenched the thirst. और कौवा अपनी प्यास को बुझाता है and flew away, और उड़ जाता है. Means काक चेष्टा. We need to काक चेष्टा. हमें भी एजुकेशन के लिए काग की तरह, कौवे की तरह एग्रेसिव होना चाहिए. I need it. How it has happened? I will hard work. That is काक चेष्टा. Now second point is बको ध्यानम. विद्यार्थी का दूसरा लक्षण, स्टूडेंट के दूसरा लक्षण बको ध्यानम. Have you looked on the pot? आपने पॉन्ड में देखा है बकुले? बकुले देखा? Everybody have seen. What he did do this? क्या करता है? He stand on one leg silently on the pond. Crane stand on one leg and without motion. Every little fish, छोटी छोटी मछलियां around us swimming, छोटी छोटी मछलियां तैर रही हैं उसके इर्द गिर्द. He never catch it. वो नहीं पकड़ता. Why? Why? Because he know. वो जानता है. He knew कि if I will catch, not fill my stomach, मेरा पेट इससे नहीं भरेगा. Then he wait for the big fish. Is waiting continuously, and little fish is moving around. Then big fish is thinking nothing is rowing is bad fear. यहाँ कुछ है नहीं. Then big fish is come to know eat it. तो we have to patience, हमें धैर्य रखना है. We have to focus, we have to concentration on our target. That is crane teaches us. हमें एक बकुला सिखाता है, पेशेंस रखिए, फोकस रखिए अपने गोल के ऊपर, एंड विदाउट डिस्ट्रैक्शन, विचलित नहीं होना है, डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है. काक चेष्टा बको ध्यानम. देन है थर्ड नंबर श्वान निद्रा. श्वान मीन्स कुत्ता. श्वान मीन्स कुत्ता. हैव यू नोन who is scared our dog in night? What he do this? Is barking. When someone enter in our house, is barking ना, भौंकने लगता है. Dog, swan में संस्कृत में बोलते हैं कुत्ते को. Swan निद्रा. We have to not sleeping like a laziness. Our teachers us remind you ना, give up your laziness. That is teaches us our dog us. हमें डॉग सिखाता है सोन निद्रा. सोइए but aware it. No, my work is remain. I have to not sleep too much. मुझे ज्यादा नहीं सोना है, मेरा काम बचा हुआ है. We have to awaken it. हमें अपने आप को एक्टिव करना है. Be alert रहिए for your target. डॉग जानता है उसका ऑनर उसे किस लिए यहाँ उसे रोटी दे रहा है. डॉग नोस. सो स्वान निद्रा तथैव च अल्पहारी. फोर्थ पॉइंट है अल्पहारी गृहस्थ्यागी विद्यार्थी पंक्ष लक्षण. अल्पहारी मीन्स eat little bit, not a tummy full. Then what will happen? Then you feel sleepiness. Do you know, student, when you eat it, then sleepy hormones become in our body. It let me sleep. खाने के बाद sleepy hormones बनता है शरीर में, और वो हार्मोन्स हमें सुला देता है. So we eat for energy, not for sleeping. अल्पहारी का मतलब खाने से नहीं है. अल्पहारी का मीन्स है थोड़ा थोड़ा लीजिए. If you are using mobile, so use it for knowledge, not for wasting time. That is alpahari. If we are going to visit somewhere, so no need to waste our time. That is alpahari. Means थोड़ा ही घूमिए. That is the means of alpahari. Alpahari grahasthyagi. Grahasthyagi means you are in house. You are in house. You are in school for till 4 o'clock. That is the means of grahasthyagi vidyarthi panksh lakshanam. Those students who have these points, that is the best student forever. Nobody will has to courage to defeat you. These students, कोई किसी के हिम्मत नहीं है कि आपको उनसे हरा जाए, आपको कोई हरा दे. That is the point of my side for remind you, my dear student, your half yearly is going to coming soon, and today is 11.